Alright, everything sounds good in the video. So, for number one, going to be very similar to last time. We're just going to have some extra chord changes happening to push the difficulty a little bit. So, I think having to go back and forth between the chords may require more concentration to make sure that everything is sounding correct and the muting's done well. So hopefully this ends up being an appropriate increase in difficulty, but not too much. Not too much more difficult though. So let's find out. Here we go. Goal of 125 still. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if it feels like 125 is just too easy, it's not challenging enough, just go faster. Go ahead and push the speed higher if you need more of a challenge there. Just make sure it sounds correct. Alright, new stuff. So, I'd like to start doing the descending stuff now. It looks like you got the scales and everything pretty going well, up and down, all that stuff. So, I'm going to start with just the one thing, the one scale that is, not scale, there's two scales going on here, hang on, there we go, that's the button I'm looking for. Okay, so we're going down shape number 5 and up shape number 4. Alright, so for scale memorization, that's what we want. I want you to go down number 5, way up here. Up number 4. So, if you feel like you get that memorized pretty quick, and you want to try and get ahead, try doing the other stuff too. So, again, that was down shape 5, up 4. You can go down, so the full thing's going to be going down shape 4, up 3. Down 3, up 2. Down 2, up 1. Ugh. Try that again. Down shape 2, up shape 1. And then down shape 1, up shape 5. So again, that's if you feel ready to try working ahead. Yeah, you can try doing that. But definitely stick with this stuff first. And let's get into it. So here we go, 60 beats per minute. This is in a 2/4 time signature, but it's going to feel like a 4/4. I put it in a 2/4 time signature to better divide the going down one scale and then up the next. So it just works well with the 5 bars in a 2/4 time signature, but it's just playing triplets. So nothing really new here. All right, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gross note there. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, now let's hit the power chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, A5, 2, 3, 4, E5, 2, C5, 4, G5, 4, D5, 3, 4, E5, 2, 3, 4, A5, 2, 3, 4, D5, 2, 3, 4, D5, 2, 3, 4, D5. Now the clean chords this time, we're going to focus on bar chords. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, C major, 2, 3, 4, G major, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, G major, 2, 3, 4, C major. So that C chord there at the end, that's the same shape as this G chord right here. Whoops, right there. So, can't remember if we've gone over that specific bar chord before, but I like to bar those 3 strings with my ring finger. You notice down here it looks pretty, well, pretty big angle. You know, it's not going all flat pretty like that, and it doesn't matter. So long as you hear those notes, that's all that matters. So if you got to put your finger at a funny looking angle as well, that's okay. All right, I think that covers it. Yeah, so any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again next week.